make a long story short, I am Horus. I like to, these days at least, record the moments I remove from the plastic artifacts of importance to me. Items of importance that I purchase. Not for their price, monetary value, but for their sentimental value. You see in his hand, similar to the Ikenga, his other hand, the Ankh, the symbol of life. Life or death is one way to look at it, where the life is raised higher. I too carry life or death. Either in my heart, my love, you will have life, or you will be my enemy, doomed to eternal damnation and death for defying the golden horse, Horus in his glory. Silly New World Order dogs. It took all this explanation before you realized that Upper Egypt, the White and the Blue Nile, or Africa, rising up to the north of Egypt, the Nile Delta rather, conquering the land of the Semites, the Whites, and the other blacks, and uniting Egypt into one nation under black civilization, culture, spirituality, and Horus. I'm Horus, Behutet. I'm the top martial artist in this land, and we are so close, my friends, to the 2-year anniversary. Where I will declare myself spiritual leader of all blacks in America, of the military wing of the greater black movement. You big brother, you scumbag, thank you for being dumb enough to solidify my position with your inability to defeat me. You conquered cowards. You weaklings. Power to the people. I will finish conquering the demons starting December 20th, 2015. 2 years. Exactly. I've already proven their sabotage and treachery, how they always try to oppress black achievement, lie about our accomplishments, suborn our intellectuals. You cowards! You cannot beat me. I am the greatest manifestation of Horus, and as such, I will lead the resistance against all of you scum. I am the top martial artist in America, and I am being persecuted for my political views by a large amount of cowards affiliated with Infraguard, the fusion centers, the punk-ass military, pussy-ass intelligence agencies, cowardly secret societies, Zionist occultist-owned corporations, conglomerates, and their white managerial allies. They cannot beat me! only God, and God is with me, not the scum. That's why I am the top martial artist, not any of them. I am envied by all for my greatness, while they are materialistic dogs who worship paper. Paper! I worship the Lord. And it is my beliefs and my faith in the Lord, my great ancestors, that have allowed me to rise above all. I am the top martial artist in America, in the New Egypt. I am Heru. And you are just naysayer cowards if you do not agree. Shout out to my viewers who are with me.